Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a recipe of this baked potato and creamy sauce. For the full list of ingredients, visit the link in the description where I share a printable version of this recipe on my blog. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I peeled the potatoes. This step is actually optional. You can leave the skins on them if you prefer. Chop the potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Then add all the seasoning and combine this until the potatoes have an even coating. Pour the potatoes out onto a baking sheet and spread them out a bit. Add some slices of butter on top and cover with foil and bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I like to remove the foil and leave it on broil for about 5 minutes. To make the creamy carrot sauce, dice 1 small onion and grate 1 small carrot on one of the smaller settings. I also grated 3 small garlic cloves. Saute the onion and garlic together in some butter for about 5 minutes or until they look roasted. Add in the carrots and let it fry for an additional 5 minutes. You'll need to add some butter because carrots soak in a lot of moisture. Saute this until the carrots turn soft. Now add the cream cheese and work it into the mixture. Once it's combined, add the half and half and bring it to a boil while whisking. It should thicken. Then salt and season to taste. If you want your sauce to be a little more runny, you can add more half and half. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious baked potato with creamy sauce. For more recipes and DIYs, don't forget to visit my blog. I will see you all next time. Bye!